The video you just watched was created with AI in less than 5 minutes. Right now, these stage performance videos are exploding across the internet. And surprisingly, very few creators are making this type of content. That means the niche is still largely untapped, giving you a great opportunity to get in early. So, let me show you exactly how I create these videos for free. If you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure you're subscribed, because we're jumping straight in. First, I open ChatGPT and head to the GPT section. You can find it under Apps or by clicking More and then selecting GPTs. Next, I search for Viral Stage and open the first result that appears. Once inside, the GPT asks whether I want to place myself in the video or use a fictional character. I choose any character. It then displays a list of characters to pick from. I select number 7 and press enter. Next, it asks me to choose an opponent. Again, I select number 7 and hit enter. Within seconds, the GPT generates 5 complete scenes, including both image prompts and video prompts for each scene. Everything needed to create a full stage performance video is provided in one place. I copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. After selecting the image option, I make sure all my preferred settings are enabled. Then, I paste the prompt and hit enter. A few moments later, my first scene images are ready. I choose the image I like most, click the 3 dots, and select Animate. Next, I copy the video prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, and click enter. In just a few seconds, my first video scene is complete. I simply repeat this process for all 5 scenes. Because every scene is designed to connect naturally with the previous one, the final video feels cinematic and flows smoothly from beginning to end. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more AI content creation tutorials.